But just wrapping up for the day, and it was a cut of almost 225 points that we have seen on the Nifty. The advanced decline ratio is firmly in favor of declines, and most of the sectors are actually ending with a bit of a red tinge. There was a PSU banking space that was trying to hold up at the start of the session, but then given up the gains completely. Look at a UCO Bank, Central Bank, PSB, they were all down in the trading session. The worst performing sector was, of course, metals. So JSW Steel, Vedanta, JSPL, Tata Steel, they were all coming under pressure. Pharma too also succumbed to the pressure by the end of the trading session. And then, of course, you had some standout names like Blue Star, which deserve mention on account of that 16% uptick that we have seen. RR Kabul, on account of that IPO that got listed today, was also in focus, getting a thumbs up from the street. The power stocks were doing quite okay for themselves. SJVN high by around 9%. That 1.18 lakh crore worth of MOU definitely had the street excited. Power Grid has a board meeting later in the month to discuss fundraising. And then Coal India, Thermax, the other names from the entire supply chain were also in focus. JK Dyer, DAM Capital has actually initiated coverage and giving it a thumbs up. So that stock was up around 6%. Nazara Technologies did well in the trading session. My colleague was just telling you that how some of the FII and DIRs are looking at getting into the stock. So 6% higher there. Some other names include Apar Industries, AU Small Finance Bank, Karnataka Bank, Fortis. They were doing all right in the trading session, but on the losing side, it was the PSU banking names that were coming under pressure. And then some of the auto names were also on the back foot. But that was about the trading session today. By the last bell, we have managed to hold on to 19,900. But let's see what happens tomorrow.